Hello everyone, Mrs. Gurmeet here. Students, our today's topic is notice writing. And without wasting much time, let's start our topic. Notice writing. At first, what is a notice? Notice is a written or printed information or announcement about something that has happened or is going to happen, or you can say is likely to happen. Okay. Notices. These are written for school or college notice board regarding the school events, any cultural program. Suppose your school is organizing any tour or excursion or any picnic. Regarding that, notices are displayed on school notice boards. Second type of notice are written for newspapers or magazines, and next type is notice for public notice board. And today I am going to tell you about the notice for school or college notice board. Okay, but before writing a notice, must remember, notice must contain complete information. It means on which matter or whatever you are going to tell to your students, complete information should be there in that notice. Second, order of presentation should be clear. Systematically you have to write that notice. Next one, state the purpose clearly. What's the purpose to write that notice? State that purpose, state that agenda clearly. Next one, complete information. It means suppose the topic is suppose the notice is regarding a meeting. Write the time of the meeting, place of meeting, date. It means on which date you are going to organize that meeting. Write that date, and the purpose should be clear in that. Next one, use impersonal language. This one is must. Okay, always avoid I and you. Notices are written in third person. And students, also remember, the word limit for the notice is 50. Okay, in 50 words you have to complete that notice. It means complete information should be given in 50 words only. Okay, now by giving an example, I am going to explain the format of the notice. Okay, your school is organizing a tour to Mumbai and Goa during the winter vacation. Write a notice giving detailed information to the student. Now student, see here, winter vacation. Okay, the tour is being organized in winter vacation. Write a notice giving detailed information to the students. You are Madhav, Madhvi. It means writer's name is given here. School pupil leader, pupil it means student. School pupil leader, Apex Public School. Name of the school is also given here. Okay, now see the format. At first, mention the club, the society, the organization who is going to organize that event. Okay, excursion club, excursion or tour, these are the similar word. Okay, school is organizing an excursion or a tour, both are similar. The excursion club, the initial letter should be capital. Is it clear? The excursion E capital and club C capital. In next line, write the name of school in block letter. Whatever name is given, you have to write that. If no name is given there, then mention as you wish. Okay. In the next line, mention date. The tour is being organized in winter vacation. Mention the date according to the time. Okay. December. Winter vacation, it means December 10, 2020. Suppose the school is organizing the tour in summer vacation, then according to summer season, according to summer vacation, you have to mention the date here. And if no season is mentioned there, then write the present date. Okay, present date, it means the day on which you are writing that notice. After that, in next line, write the word notice in block letter. After that, write an excursion or tour to Mumbai and Goa. Anything you can write. You can also mention only an excursion. Okay, an excursion. Is it clear? Again listen this. At first the name of the organization or the club, then name of the school. After that mention the date. Then in next line mention the word notice in capital letter. After that the purpose of the notice. Then leave a single line. After this leave a single line and mention the content. The school is going to organize. You can also write the school is organizing, or a tour is being organized. It's your language, but language should be proper. Tense should be proper. Okay. The school is going to organize a tour to Mumbai and Goa. This one is given here. Mumbai and Goa for the classes 11th and 12th as per the details given below. Here students, you can also mention the school is going to organize a tour to Mumbai and Goa for the classes 11th and 12th under the supervision of the teachers. No doubt any person should be there for your supervision. Okay. If you want, you can mention here under the supervision of the teachers as per the details given below. After below put colon. Okay. No hyphen, no full stop should be there. Put colon, and in next line or after leaving a line, it's your choice. Departure, it means date of departure, on which day you are going to join that tour. Okay. Departure December 24, 2020. Arrival, it means day of arrival or date of arrival, Jan 4, 2021. Okay. Fee, it means amount for the tour, the expenses for the tour. Fee 3,500 per head. It means per student the cost is 3,500. Plans, it means what are your plans for that. So visiting interesting sites, trekking, etc. Okay, anything you can write here. After leaving a line, now you have to mention interested students or those who want to join the tour. Okay. Interested students may give their names to the undersigned before 17th December 2020 with amount or with fee. Okay. The date is 10 December on which we are writing this notice. The day of departure is 24 and before 17th December you have to deposit the amount with your name. After this, name of the, on left side, name of the writer. Name is given here. If name is given, then mention the same name. Otherwise, if no name is given, then according to your choice you can mention that name. Here name is given Madhav or Madhvi. If you are a boy, according that name Madhav, and girl students can write the name of Madhvi. Okay, it's your choice. Madhav, and after the name, after the signature, write designation of the writer, and here designation is school pupil leader. Now one thing that is must, students write the notice on the single page because you have to enclose it in a box. Sometimes you write it from this page and after that you turn the page and the remaining part is on the other. Then that is not possible to complete this box. Students, we can also write this notice in paragraph format. Another format is also there. This one is tabular format, and we can also write it in paragraph format. No doubt the format should be same. At first, excursion club, name of the school, date, notice and heading. Okay. Only from here to here you can give this content in a paragraph. The school is going to organize a tour to Mumbai and Goa for the classes 11th and 12th. After this, cut this phrase. For the classes 11th and 12th from 24th December 2020 to 4th Jan 2021. Per head cost is 3,500. And the interested students or those students who want to join the tour may give their names to the undersigned before 17 December. And at last, For I have already told you format will be same, Madhav school pupil leader. Okay, it means कि you can write it in a paragraph only, that is also correct. Two format we use to write a notice. This one is tabular format and the other one is paragraph format. So any way you can choose. Now another thing which I want to tell regarding this notice is regarding a tour. Suppose you have to write regarding a picnic, and you know picnic is for one day. Okay, then there is no need to write date of departure or date of arrival. No doubt, on the same day which we are going, we return on the same day. Then we write only date, December 24, 2020. Okay, time of departure this and arrival this. It means morning time of departure and evening time for arrival you have to mention. And interested students may give their names to the undersigned. This one will be similar. I hope you understand this one. Now if students there is any doubt, you can contact me. Thank you and have a nice day.